But how did you get there? Because again, you had these things. I mean, what was that major change? What is it about working with me and going through the video lessons and using the spreadsheets? What was it that made it click? Because again, you were already a systems person, but you weren't
Correct.
getting the results you needed or desired. So what was that shift? I mean, just was there one thing, or was it just re-examining, and was it just that simple?
It was focus and survival because COVID closed us down and we knew make or break. Are we going to make it? Or are we going to just shut it down? And you and Ann kept saying, just focus, focus. Look at your numbers, look at your cash. Cash is king. Keep your cash. And I just kept saying that to my team. And Andrea is just like, her head was getting larger and larger because she's going, Mom, I've been telling you guys this forever. So I think it really was the crisis. Crisis causes opportunity or distress. And we took it as an opportunity.
If you're tired of not being able to leave your restaurant because no one else knows how to run it, I want to make sure you know it doesn't have to be that way. You can leave your restaurant. It is possible to build a team of people who know how you want the restaurant to run. With these trained and responsible people in place, you can give yourself time away. What would you do if you had time away from your restaurant? Would you sleep better? Would your relationships improve? Would you feel more relaxed? These are all things you deserve to experience as a business owner. It's why we own our own businesses. If you would like to learn how to own a restaurant that doesn't depend on you to be successful, click the link in the description to watch a free training course that teaches you exactly what you have to do. Also, be sure to subscribe to get my weekly tips and watch these 2 videos to get more information and guidance for running a successful restaurant.